Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm just going to be explaining to you what I'm here for, and you know, or any queries that you guys might have. I'm gonna hope to answer them today. But basically, this channel is helping you guys out with anything you need on technology. It can be any device really, and I can make videos on it and help you guys out. Uh, you got to make sure to like and subscribe. So go down there, do it now, and I'll continue posting and everything. I'll continue posting anyway, but it'll help me out. And guys, I help you out. You help me out in return by subscribing. So comment down below anything you guys would need help on, technology wise, game wise. I can help you guys out. I'm also in code, so if you want any coding videos, also let me know. But yeah, guys, that's just me explaining what I'm here for, and I can help you out in any way technology wise. So yeah, make sure to go down there, like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one.